Okay, so hi guys, we have another video here showing you how we can fix a printer which is not currently isn't printing or fading paper. So here it is. Okay, so here is a Canon MG3070S, and I'm going to show you the issue. So pag print natin, feed on the paper, but unfortunately it will be stuck and it will not go through. And there we go. Hanggang dyan lang siya. Okay, so now that you see the issue, there are things I need to check first. First, software. We tried to reinstall the driver, but it still has the same issue. Next is, since that it's jamming or the paper cannot go within the printer, so most likely merong bagay na nakaharang dyan, or a foreign object na hindi part sa loob ng hardware ng printer. So it's really hard to open the printer because there's a lot of components that you need to remove in order to see the inside. But make sure you can try it if you want, but make sure you remember all the screws, how it's being placed. So maybe take a picture or video while you're doing it. So here it is. Okay, so we already removed the top cover, other components, and here's what we found. So sa ilalim niya merong takip ng remote, Samsung remote. Okay, now that we know the issue, and we just have to remove that object and then put everything back to its place. So dito na masusubukan yung memory natin kung may babalik ba natin lahat ng component. So from here, we need to connect the sensor, the motor, the gears, and powers. And now we're in the testing period. And as you can see, dumidiretso na yung paper. And this is the part wherein you're going to appreciate the sound na nagpiprint siya. Okay. And there we go. So blue ang ink niyan kasi wala na akong black na color. So we just use the blue ink for the text and it's all fixed. So kung di pa gumana, buslak na to dere. And there we go. So if ever you have any printer that's having the same issue, just feel free to contact me anytime. So that's all. Thanks guys.